Getting started with any industry is tricky. Same applies to real estate. This is a business because you are not a commission agent. In today's video, we are going to discuss how you can scale and make 100,000 of steady income in your first year. We are going to discuss the 5 easy to-do steps that will scale your business. Let's dig deeper into this business. Number 1 is mentorship. As in any of the system or business or education system, you need a coach or a mentor who can guide you and educate you how you can be successful in your day-to-day task. So same applies to real estate. Either you hire a coach, pay them and get those education, or you work with some successful team who can guide you and share those golden nuggets. That is what we are doing in our team. We are sharing all our trade secrets with our team so they can scale in their business. So if you're interested in joining our team, links will be given in the description. Next plan is you need a plan. We call it 90-day plan. So what if you join any system, you need some sort of a accountability. Same comes from a plan. How many deals you'll be doing, what type of network events you'll be doing, how many calls you'll be doing. These are very raw examples of it. Because real estate is what? Is a contact support. How many people you are touching, these are all your leads, because everyone and each person needs a what? House. It's like a basic necessity of life. So you need to create your system like that. At least you are in touch of 7 to 10 people daily on your day-to-day routine. So you can tell them, educate them about real estate. They know you as being a knowledgeable agent in the industry and they work with you. So what you need is some sort of a plan, some sort of a guideline, a map, because if you have to move from what? Toronto to New York and you don't have any plan, you will be just hovering around. So what you need is you need a source and a destination. Same applies to our 90-day plan strategy. That is what we believe in. Number 3 is time blocking. Yes, because if you are into real estate industry, it's a business. You will be working 24/7. You need to understand there are 3 components of one's life. It is health, wealth and family. So you need to have the combination to be a full-fledged human being. So what you need to do is you need to time block yourself. Okay, from 9 to 10, I'm just focusing on real estate. What I'm going to do is I'm going to learn my buyers and seller scripts. That time is blocked only for real estate. And next what we have is you are prospecting daily. So you need to create a schedule that like, okay, 10 to 11, I'm going to make those 5 calls, or I'm going to go on social media and create content for myself. What you need for that is time blocking, because otherwise you'll be lost. It's your business. If you're not focusing on it, somebody else will take that lead. They'll work with them. So what the point is, you have a daily schedule involved and you stick to that. This will help you to scale and be number 1 agent in your area, making 100,000 the year 1 itself. So far what we talked about mentorship. Okay, you got a good mentorship, you have a plan, and then your time blocking. So these 3 combination will scale you. The next more important point is accountability. So what that mean is you need somebody which is doing evaluation of your work done. You joined some traditional brokerage because there was low commission split and there was no desk fees involved or all those things. You will be lost in this journey of real estate, because if you go the analysis part itself, in US we have more than 1.5 million real estate agents, and same applies to Canada also. To scale yourself, you need a right education, right mentorship, and you need to have a tracking accountability available so you can focus on the income generating activities which will help you to scale in your business. Okay, now you are accountable for it. What next? The most important point is number 5. You need systems. Let's say some buyers call you. How you are going to talk to them, what all the things you need to know about the buyers. You need to have a specific templates available. That's one example of it. Are you approved on mortgage? How's your credit score? All those basic information, you need to set those roadblocks, those systems in place so you can scale in real estate world. So the key point is you have the leads, but you need that bonding to convert that lead into a mature sale. Otherwise, you won't get paid. So for that, you need those system and technology which can assist you. And a bonus tip. You are new to the industry, it's always good to learn from each and everyone. But remember, the person who's guiding you, mentoring you, should know about what he's talking about. So I always encourage everyone to go to all the real estate networking events and build as many connections as you can. because that is the only way you can scale in the real estate world. End of the day, it's driven by number of people you are touching, number of the value you are providing to them, and how much you are accountable for yourself. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.